Hello, and welcome to this video on whether lemon water can help you lose weight. Lemon water has become a popular drink for those looking to lose weight. But is there any truth to the claims that it can help shed those extra pounds? Firstly, lemon water is low in calories, which can be beneficial for weight loss. Drinking it instead of high-calorie beverages, like soda or juice, can help reduce your overall calorie intake. Lemons are also a good source of vitamin C, which can help improve your metabolism. A faster metabolism can help you burn more calories and lose weight more effectively. Additionally, lemon water can act as a natural diuretic, which can help reduce water retention and bloating. This can make you look and feel slimmer, although it may not necessarily result in fat loss. However, it's important to note that lemon water alone won't lead to significant weight loss. It should be part of a healthy diet and exercise routine to see the best results. Furthermore, lemon water can be harmful to your teeth if consumed in excess. The acid in lemon can erode tooth enamel, so it's recommended to drink it through a straw and rinse your mouth with water after consuming it. In conclusion, while lemon water may have some benefits for weight loss, it's not a magical solution on its own. It's important to incorporate it into a healthy lifestyle to see the best results. Thank you for watching this video on whether lemon water can help you lose weight. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.